This is a guide on replacing an LCD on the HP 15 Notebook PC. To begin, shut down the computer by holding the power button. Remove the battery if it is easily accessible. Proceed on removing the bezel. In certain cases, it is held down with 2 or 4 screws in each corner that can be hidden behind either plastic or rubber covers. In this case, there are no bezel screws. Pull away the bezel by the inner edge, starting from the sides. Be gentle and try not to break any of the plastic tabs underneath. Sometimes the bezel may also be glued on the inner edge. You may need to open the clamshell fully to unsnap the hinge covers portion of the bezel. Set the bezel aside. The LCD panel is held in place by 4 Phillips screws, located on the front mounting tabs in each of the corners. Remove the 2 bottom screws, then the 2 top screws. Put plastic or paper on the keyboard to protect the screen from scratching. Place the LCD panel on the keyboard. Peel the clear tape securing the video cable. Gently disconnect the video cable. Discard the old panel. Take the new LCD screen and remove the protective film. Place the new LCD panel face down on the keyboard. Reconnect the video cable and secure it with clear tape. Caution: it is very important not to force any connectors. All connectors are very fragile. You must not slant the video connector when plugging it in. Lift the screen up, aligning it with the back cover. Replace the front LCD mounting screws at the top and the bottom corners. Replace the bezel. Start at the bottom hinge covers and go around the perimeter, snapping its tabs in place. Make sure that the bezel is also glued along the inner bottom edge. Replace the battery. Turn on the laptop. And you're done.